Good morning dear students, welcome to our computer class.
In this video, we are going to discuss about our computer lesson 2, managing files and folders. In this chapter, the first topic we have to learn is Windows Explorer. What is this Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It helps to manage and organize the files and folders. We can use Windows Explorer to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders.
Listen students, this is the picture in your textbook which help us to learn detail about Windows Explorer. Now let's see in detail about which are the components of Windows Explorer. Here, at the top right corner of the Windows Explorer, you can see a white box. The name of this box is Search Box. This option provides you the easiest manner to search any file or folder. If you want to search a particular file or a folder, you can type the name of that file or a folder in this space. When you press the enter key, the particular file will be opened. At the top of Windows Explorer, you can see another white long box. The name of this box is address bar. It shows the complete path of the selected file or folder. Here, this address bar shows the path of the folder named IT Beans Book Series. The path means the location where this folder is saved in the hard disk of the computer. Next component of Windows Explorer is New Folder. If you want to create a new folder, you can click on this new folder. Can you see yellow colored boxes here? These are icons of folders. These folders are inside the folder named IT Beans Book Series. So these folders are called subfolders. Subfolders means the folders inside the folder. At the top right corner, you can see an arrow mark. When you click on it, different options will come which will help us to view the folders in different ways. This button is called View button. At the left side of the Windows Explorer, the white rectangular box which we can scroll up and down is called Navigation Pane. It displays drives and folders. These are the important components of Windows Explorer. Next, we have to learn about files. A file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. Each file is given a file name which help us to find the desired file. In this screen, can you say which are the files? Is it a file? No. Is it a file? Yeah, drawing a computer. That is the name of this file. Then this one? Yeah, this also file. The name of this file is latest plastic. Then this one is another file. The name of it is my presentation. This one is another file named welcome. Here these four are the files. In this first one, drawing a computer. It is an image file because it's a picture. Then this one, latest plastic, it's a video file. Like this, we can create different files by using different application softwares like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. Next is folders. All the files can be kept in folders. A folder can keep other folders also. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. In the screen, this yellow color icons are called folders. The name of the first folder is Final. The second folder name is Supercomputer. The third folder name is Testing. The others are Files. Students, how can we create these files? That's the next topic we are going to learn. Creating a file. The most common way to create a file is by using an application software, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. For example, let's see how can we create a file in an application software MS Word. Open MS Word from Start button. Select blank document. Type the matter you want to type. After typing the content, to do save, select Save option from File tab. Type the file name there. Now it is saving in Documents folder. From the left navigation pane, select the path where you want to save. Then click on Save. Now it is saved. Let's check the file is saved or not. Open F drive where I have saved. Open folder named My Works. Yes, it is here. Hello file is here. Now we have created a Word file. This is a procedure to create a file in MS Word. Like this, in other application softwares like Paint, Excel, etc. also, we can create files easily, isn't it? Dear students, in this video, we have learned about what is Windows Explorer, what is file, what is folder. Then we learn about how can we create a file. Watch this video and learn these topics. Thank you.